How to transfer from one university to the University of Johannesburg, known as UJ. If you are one of the students who are doing first, second, or third year at another university, or you know someone who wants to transfer, please watch this video because I am going to tell you how to do it and what are the requirements. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and turn on that notification bell to receive all the updates from this channel. You can change your mind later if it is not helpful. Mangoba here is all about helping each and everyone to revive their ambitions and reinforce their dreams. Let's get to the point now. How to transfer from one institution to UJ. Number one, you have to follow the same steps as applying like an undergraduate or postgraduate or an international student or online everything. And if ever you have applied at UJ, you have an existing student number and a PIN, follow the online readmission processes to apply again. The link of that video, you can watch it. It will pop up on the screen, and you can also find it on the description of this video below. So it is simple. You just follow the steps as like you're an undergraduate. So what are the requirements? What is it that is needed as a transferring student? It is your latest obtained result. Remember, or if you do not know, UJ access applicants or application with the final metric result. Or if you have completed a qualification on another institution, they will also consider your certificate or academic record or transcript. So if you are doing a first, second or third year on that institution, you will be accessed by your matric result, not by your current result, maybe for your first term or first year academic record and everything. However, if you are transferring from a public university, you will be credited for those modules completed on the previous institution. Modules or qualification completed on a private institution or universities or colleges, those modules will be not accredited or will be not credited. This is done after you have been accepted based on your metric result and after registration, and only if those modules they have the same weight, then you will be accredited for those modules. So what is my advice? Should you transfer or not? If I can say, if you have great metric result, you can transfer, and if you believe into yourself and to God, you can transfer. But if you don't, continue with the qualification that you are doing. You can always upgrade your qualification to the level that you desire. You can reach to your degree and everything. Start from certificate to your diploma, degree, honors, post-diploma, all these things until you reach the highest level of qualification. So anyone who needs assistance, you are welcome to contact me. First, send an email because I might take longer to respond to WhatsApp. This is because of many requests and school work related stuff. So ladies and gentlemen, good luck with your applications, good luck with your studies, and take care of yourselves.